It's loud and clear. Fremi Kojobusu. Yeah.
Hi everyone, this is the second step in my wash day routine. Before going in with my shampoo, I like to give my hair some extra love. I will often make my own DIY conditioner. I normally mix it up, but today I decided to go with the banana hair mask. And all of my ingredients, I always make research on them before applying anything to my hair and my daughter's hair. So we advise you to also make your own research and make sure you are not allergic to any of the ingredients. Yes, my husband always laughing at me. You and your research. So for today, my ingredients list. I'm using banana, honey, coconut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, and my mixture of Indian herbs. So for the banana, I just want to talk or educate you guys a little bit about all these ingredients. So for the banana are among the world's most popular fruits, native to Southeast Asia. They are now grown in many warm parts of the world. Banana contain a fair amount of fiber, as well as several antioxidants. Banana contain many powerful nutrients such as potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, magnesium, copper, protein, as our hair is made of 91% protein, and fat. Our second ingredient, honey. As we know, raw honey have many benefits to our body, such as helping in weight loss, improve allergies, restore sleep, improve circulation, lower cholesterol. But let's look at honey for hair benefits. It can help boost shine by hydrating our hair. Raw honey can also clean and restore the health of our hair and scalp. Next ingredient, coconut oil. This nourishing oil has been used for centuries in hair, and its unique fat composition makes it especially beneficial for certain hair types. Use it as a hot oil treatment or in hair mask, as what I am doing with it today. And then it will moisturize and nourish the skin. Next ingredient, avocado oil, moisturizing and regenerate hair. Next is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a byproduct of winemaking. After wine is made by pressing grapes, grape seeds are left behind. Grapeseed oil is extracted from these leftover grape seeds. It can be used in hair and on our skin. It contains omega-6, omega-3 fatty acids. It may improve the condition of your hair and scalp. If you have dandruff, which is often caused by a dry scalp, apply grapeseed oil to your scalp. It can help loosen dead skin and restore moisture. Olive oil is also a natural and safe lubricant for our hair and also our skin. The last ingredient and the powerful ingredient, that is a mixture of different types of Indian herbs. I have mixture of henna, shikakai, amla, and brahmin. I'm not going to go in detail on that today. I will make a whole video just on those few herbs. So I will put everything in a blender. Yes, I have my special blender for my hair. Yes, so I will open that up for you guys to have a look at it. It looks like a smoothie. I guess it tastes good too. Okay, enough of that. So I will apply this in section to my hair, making sure that I have every strand of my hair. After applying this to my hair and my scalp, I will sit under my steamer for 30 minutes, and then I will cover it with a plastic bag and just leave it on for another 30 minutes or an hour, or until I'm ready to wash it out. And then I will rinse it out and go in with my moisturizing shampoo. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and please share this video with anyone who you think is gonna help. Thank you again for watching, and I pray you stick around for more tips on how I care for my natural hair. I have a lot of hair, so those two bananas, this is the only one I left. Thank you for watching. Love you.
Oh, sorry, I forgot. Hit the subscribe button. There's a red button right there waiting for you. Hit it, then hit the bell next to it. You get notification each time I post a new video. Love you. Bye-bye.